Your favorite activity in English for fun?
Hard-hitting interview. Go.
My favorite activity is cooking and performing at shows.
What is your favorite teacher in English for fun?
If I have to say someone that is at camp, I would say Daniela.
Okay, now what about over the years at English for Fun? Who was your favorite teacher? Go!
Sinead, I think.
Woo!
T-shirt in English for fun.
My favorite t-shirt color is either the red one because of the counselor program or the blue one.
Woo! The blue one was pretty awesome, right?
Yeah.
Hey, what about that green one? Do you still have the green one?
Yeah.
Yeah. We've seen kids come to camp wearing the green one like 7 years later.
Yeah.
It's real tiny now, it's for babies, but they still wear it anyway. Sometimes their bellies hang out.
What is your favorite memory in English for fun?
My favorite memory are the Halloween parties.
Oh my goodness, you mean everybody just likes us for our parties? What?
So Danny, tell us, for how long have you been coming to English for Fun?
I have been coming here since I was 4 years old, and right now I'm 13.
Wow. Why did you keep coming here?
I think I've been here for so long because I really enjoy being around such amazing people, and the activities we do here are a really fun way to learn English.
So,
And by the way, you started when you were 2, not when you were 4.